guys, what's up? You guys just like, darn, that's some bright eyeshadow. Yes, it's bright. If you guys know YouKeyy, no, it's not YouKeyy, it's YouKeyy. YouKeyy from, of course, YouTube. She's always doing something so great with her eyeshadow, and she's darker than me. And I'm just like sitting here like, dang, how your eyeshadow so goddamn pigmented, girl? Tell me the tea, tell me the tea. Well, she gave us the tea in her PH.D and pigments video. So this is very different, but I enjoyed it a lot. I dare you to, you know, get your PH.D and get certified by YouKeyy. Okay, hey girl, even though you don't know me from Adam or Eve, but it's fine. So I'm gonna ask y'all to do a little favor: like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all probably gonna hear it say the whole thing, but you know what I'm saying. So we're gonna get this shit popping. Get this shit popping. Okay, so I'm gonna start like this burnt orange color in my 39A palette. And she said padding is better, so. Which most, especially since you don't have like that white powder over your concealer. Oh, and I did prime my eyes with the Ageless one. The Essence Age Rewind concealer, and this color is in golden, which is too light for your homegirl. So we're gonna just blend it out. Okay. I think I know what I'm gonna do now. Okay, so now I'm gonna dabble in. The only thing with these berry shades, they like most definitely leave a stain on your lid. So I'm gonna do this bright like fuchsia color. And I'm using the same brush. You know what? I'm not gonna use. That's how that orange and blend out the outside of my thing. Okay. Mind you, this is only 2 colors, you guys. Okay, what you guys think so far? Crazy? Okay. It's different than what I'm used to. I'm gonna dip back inside my Age Rewind and I need to wash my brushes though. Like, look how dirty this is. Like, bacteria. And I'm gonna do a cut crease. So, do you know what I also find hard with a cut crease? Is that what did I find hard? Oh, okay. This was the problem I had last week or the week before. One eye is bigger than the other, so do I technically have a lazy eye? I remember having this conversation with my ex-boyfriend and his cousin one time, and they were just like, everybody don't have a lazy eye. I was like, yes, I do. Okay, like, you see how that's not working like how this eye worked? Okay, so. Okay. Again, with padding. Using an olive color. No. We're just gonna focus this on the middle right now, and then I think about what I want later. Okay. Wow, this is crazy. This is probably why most people stay away from color. Okay. I need a different brush. I need a different brush. Hold on. Found a brush. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in that. It's like a light olive color. Coming up dark on me for some reason. Wow, brush makes a difference. So you want a small detail brush for this, honestly. I'm gonna get inside a brown shimmery color. And okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, oh gosh. Pretty, it's called Ginger Snap. It's really nice gold. I'm gonna spray my brush a little. Okay, I think this is why I don't do cut crease. Like, let's zoom this in a little bit more. Like, look at let's just see how this works out. Cause usually, you know, you don't see like the finished product until like you finish the face. Just know this is only gonna be like an eye focus video. Go back and clean up. I think this is why God never told me to continue to be in cosmetology school. Stuff like this, like you have to be creative. And then plus, I'm not good with this. I have to bring it up higher, cause homie ain't got no eyelid. So you have to bring this higher. Yes, my hair is nappy. Okay. I think this is the best I could do for now. Has to be, cause this is why you do eyeshadow first, people. Like, this is why, cause you don't like if you mess up, you mess up. Then you have to do the whole face all over again. But we're gonna use it because that's all I have at the moment. Like, it's comfy. That blush a little bit too light for me. Telling you, the longer you have your thing to dry for, the better. But the thing is, when you have it completely dry, it's not gonna stay on. So you have to know your glue. So you have to know your glue. Oh, Bria's gonna be like, Brittany, why you look like a clown today? Picking me up from school. That was easy. That was easy. Hold on. Oh, yep. Told y'all, the longer you have it dry, the better. Okay, so it's not that bad. Like, I need to practice, but it's not that bad. Like, when you put on the lashes, because lashes kind of camouflage, like, it, but it's not bad. Okay, do y'all think I'm really gonna get this PH.D? No. Let's see how I'm gonna edit this, because I'm not that good with editing, so I need to. Okay, so my skin's not all that good. So okay, so what you guys think? It's very dramatic. Very, like, when I say very, like, I mean very. There's no and ifs about it, but I looking like a flamingo, or like, what are those things called? Peacocks? I'm looking like a peacock. With this green and this pink and the purple. I like it, but you know, there's other people that could do better eyeshadow. Like, don't expect me to be like the best thing since sliced bread with these with this whole eyeshadow thing. Like, I'm good with like neutrals, but I'm not there with colors, so that's why I purchased that 39A palette. So we're gonna zoom y'all back out. So yes, my hair is kind of funky, my top's not all that cute, I'm kind of sick, like my nose was running like a waterfall. that is all for, you know, me trying to get my PhD in this whole, you know, shabam, you know, pigments. Please share. Actually make this a tag, because I feel like this was kind of cool to play with color. A lot of us stay inside like our neutral tones, and this is different. We're gonna see how this works. Let's just critique it right quick. I just need to redo my whole life, honestly. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, share so YouKeyy can see it. So I'll see y'all later.